This is Code.org. I'm currently working on CS Fundamentals Course D, Lesson 9, Fancy Shapes Using Nested Loops, Part 12. Let's see what we have here. Take a good look at the code below. Which drawing will this program make when you click Run? Okay, so here's our code. A, B, C, I don't know. Oh, no, we know. We know. Well, I think we will. Okay, when run, repeat 4 times. All right, keep that in mind. We're going to run this 4 times. We set the color to that. All right, now we hit a 5-time repeat. We're going to move forward 50, then left 72 degrees. So that's not 45, it's not 90, so something like this, I think. And then we're going to, so forward 50, left 72-ish, and then forward 50? Left 72. So we went forward, we went 72-ish, and then forward, and now we're in our 5th time. Forward. So if this has a repeat 5 times, that means I would assume our shape is 5-sided, right? Because when we draw a square, what do? We repeat 4 times, and then we make this number the amount of shapes we want to draw. So if it has 5 times, we must be drawing 5 sides to a shape. Once we get done with the shape, once it draws all 5 sides, we drop below, we jump forward by 50. Oh wow, we do a 90-degree right turn. We hit the bottom of this and zoop back to the top to draw another shape. So we're drawing 4 shapes of 5 sides each. Okay, well let's see. This shape looks odd, and I see a hexagon or a pentagon, I guess, because 5 sides in the middle. And how many? Oh, well, we do need a 5-sided shape, but we only have 1, and we draw 4 shapes. I don't think that's it. These are squares. A triangle's 3. What about the... There's no hexa... Wait a minute. If you don't look at the center, look at this. Zoop, voop, voop, voop. 5 sides. 5 sides. 5 sides, 5 sides. And we draw how many of them? This loop is having us draw them 4 times. I'm going with A. You got to pay attention to the loop, though, right? Because this is the amount of sides, and how many times are we drawing this 5-sided thing? Are we looping through this? How many times do we run this nested loop? Well, 4 times, so we must be making 4 shapes, I think. Let's try that. We got it! Awesome. That one's tricky.